Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instruction on how to improve the performance of your Windows computer. Now these steps are applicable for any version of Windows. It could be Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. Okay, the first thing, what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and delete the temporary files. How do we go ahead and delete the temporary files? So once you're on your desktop, press Windows and R key on your keyboard. You will see a run command. In the run command, you will have to type percentage temp percentage. Click on OK or hit enter on your keyboard. This will show up all the temporary files which are there on the computer. Press shift and delete so that these files are deleted permanently from your computer. Okay, so once this is done, you there might be some files which you will not be able to delete it because they have been used by some of the programs which are running on your computer. If you look at the screen, you will see there is one particular file which says um 8612. Now, this particular file, which has been used by the Screencast-O-Matic, that's the software which I'm using to record the screen. So I'm going to click on skip, okay, so that we can proceed with the deletion of the rest of the files. Now, once the temporary files has been deleted, what you will have to do is you will have to disable some of the unwanted services which are running on your computer. There might be n number of softwares which you might have installed on your computer, especially the non-Microsoft software, which are where the services would be still running on your computer, though you don't use it. Every day we tend to use some of the common software, but there are softwares which we don't use at all. It could be we don't use it for a month together. So we can go ahead and disable those startup items. So what we are doing here is we are disabling the startup items for the non-Microsoft software, which might reduce the performance of the computer. So how to do it? Once you're on your desktop, you can press Windows and R key on your keyboard, which will open up the run command. In the run command, go ahead and type msconfig. Okay. Now the step what we are doing here, which is also called the clean boot. So what we are doing here is we are eliminating all the third-party services which are running on your computer, which might cause the sluggishness to start your computer. So click on OK. So if your user access control is turned on, in my case it is not turned on, you might have to click on continue or yes. So once you click on continue or yes, you will see the system configuration window. Now under system configuration window, please keep in mind you select selective startup. Okay, because you're selecting the items, or you're selectively selecting the items which you don't want to start up when you start your computer. Go to services. Under services, at the bottom left corner of your screen on your system configuration window, click on hide all Microsoft services. Now what this will do is it will hide all the Microsoft services which are running on your computer, and this will show up all the third-party services. In this case, you will see Adobe, you see Intel, Dell. So Adobe update is something which you don't need to install, or it doesn't require to be running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on uncheck that box. I'm going to you also see my security software, which is McAfee Home. I'm not going to disable it because I need that. I need McAfee to run the scan for any malware or any viruses. I'm not going to uncheck that. So I'm going to uncheck Google Update Service, which I don't need. I'm going to uncheck uh, Google Update Service again. There's another service. Scroll down a bit and also look for any other services which I don't need. So all the services what you see is for McAfee. I'm not going to disable that. Skype updater. As for me, I wouldn't need this Skype updater. As in when I will have to update Skype, I will go ahead and do it manually. So I'm going to uncheck this one. I'm going to uncheck the Splash Top software update. and this is the team viewer. Since I use it most of the time, I will keep it checked. So click on apply and then click on OK. You may also go ahead and look for the startup window. Now, since this is a Windows 10, you can click on the startup item, and this will let you to open the task manager, because in Windows 10 the startup items are located in the task manager. So you can go ahead and disable some of the software which you don't need during the startup. So you can highlight this one, click on disable. In this case, I'm going to select disable Chrome. Google Drive is already disabled. So this is how you go ahead and disable the startup items. Now, once this is done, you will have to go ahead and restart your computer. Until and unless you go ahead and restart your computer, this process is not complete. So please make sure you go ahead and restart your computer so that some of the unwanted services are disabled and also some of the startup items are disabled. I hope this video will help you to improve the performance of the computer. You can please feel free to leave a comment on the section below, so that so that I can improve on my videos. And also like this video if this video has helped you, and also subscribe to my channel. There are more videos coming shortly on how to improve the performance of the computer, how to use Outlook, how to use Excel, how to use PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.